You've heard that breast is best for baby, but did you know it's also good for moms? If you're able to breastfeed, here are some health benefits you'll get. Breast milk is the most nutritious source of food for your baby, but breastfeeding also has real benefits for moms. You might know that when you breastfeed, it causes your body to release oxytocin, a calming chemical sometimes referred to as the love hormone, and it helps your uterus to contract back to its regular size. But there are a lot of other lesser-known benefits that could improve your health in the long and short term. 1. Breastfeeding may help manage pain. If you've had a C-section, research suggests that breastfeeding could help you deal with the pain while you're recovering. 2. It can help reduce the risk for PPD. Postpartum depression (PPD) affects a lot of new moms, bringing feelings of sadness, fatigue, loss of appetite, difficulty sleeping and trouble bonding with their babies. But many research shows that breastfeeding can reduce a woman's risk for PPD. 3. It could reduce your cancer risk. When you're breastfeeding, your hormones are altered, that's why so many women enjoy several period-free months after pregnancy. But there's an even bigger benefit to the hormonal changeup, a decreased risk of cancer. Particularly breastfeeding for more than a year can reduce breast cancer risk, and the longer you breastfeed, the lower your risk for ovarian cancer. 4. Breastfeeding can protect your heart. Breastfeeding is good for the heart, and we don't just mean that feel-good connection it creates with you and your baby. Women who breastfed for at least 4 months had 20 to 30% lower risks for hypertension and heart disease. 5. It could reduce your risk for diabetes type 2. Diabetes is on the rise, but breastfeeding can have a protective effect against the disease. According to a 30-year study published in JAMA International Medicine, women who breastfeed for 6 months or more cut their risk of developing type 2 diabetes in half during their childbearing years. The effect was even present for women who had suffered from gestational diabetes. 6. Breastfeeding could protect you from MS. Multiple sclerosis (MS) is an autoimmune disease that affects the central nervous system. Neurologists claim that mothers who breastfeed for at least 15 months over 1 or more pregnancies are 53% less likely to develop MS. 7. It could help you live longer. 2016 study, which was published in Maternal and Child Nutrition, found that, for every 597 women who breastfeed for 6 months exclusively and at least a year in total, 1 death is prevented.